Let's replace the engine air filter on this 2017 Chevy Volt. So it is an air filter box. It's located on the passenger side front of the engine. So we're going to remove those 8mm bolt here. 1, 2, 3, about 5 of them. Let's go. Okay, let's pick it up. And now we're going to slide out the engine air filter. Here it is. There's a new one. Let's compare them. It's the difference like night and day. We're going to put the new one in. I'll put the part link in the comment section below for this. Alright. And here's the new one. We're going to slide it in. He only goes in one way, by the way. Okay, slide the new one in. Good. And we're going to put the bolt hole. Perfect.